Hello everyone, I'm here again with a new video and a wonderful idea. I hope you'll enjoy watching this. So today we will make a wall hanging minion with a pocket. शुरुआत करते हैं मिनियन के फेस से, जिसके लिए हम लेंगे येलो कलर का क्लॉथ. The breadth will be 9 inches and the length will be 8 inches. It is a simple cotton cloth. I have used the bottom of the jeans for the strips of the minion. Now for making arms, हम छोटे छोटे 2 pieces लेंगे जिनकी breadth होगी about 3 inches and length is 5 inches. ये मैंने अपनी मर्जी से छोटी छोटी हैंडीज बनाई हैं, क्यूट सी. द लेंथ इज अबाउट 2 inches. ये आप अपनी मर्जी से किसी भी डिज़ाइन के बना सकते हैं. नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट द पॉकेट, the breadth of the cloth is 7 inches and the length is also 7 inches. The upper edges of the pocket are having pointed corners. जो bottom ends हैं वो दोनों smooth curves बना रखे हैं मैंने. Now the body part of the minion. The length is 11 inches. The breadth is about 10.5 inches. Somewhere between 10 and 11. इसके ऊपर हम पॉकेट को स्टिच करेंगे कुछ इस तरह से. Let's get an overview of the minion. So this is how it will look like. Talking about the bottom part, the length is about 6 inches. Length of the foot is 4 inches. Breadth of the legs is somewhere between 2 and 3 inches. 2.5 inches we can say. We have to cut 2 similar pieces. Let's move on to stitching. Here is something about the eyes, the spectacles that the minion wears. I have taken a bangle and I will draw the spectacles with a pen. We can use the button to make the eyes. Most of the stitching work is done at this point. To make it look more natural, I have used these buttons. So this is how it looks right now. Finally, I have used these strips as the legs of the spectacles, and with the pen I have made this dangerous smile of the minion. You can make any type of face as you want. These are the strips जिनको मैं हैंगर के अंदर डाल दूँगी, or you can hang it any way you like. At the back of this I have used green cloth. You can use any type of cloth, printed, check, or any type of cloth you want to use. So yeah, here is its final look. We will insert a hanger inside it and hang it anywhere you want. Isn't it the same as the smaller one? I think so. Thanks for watching.